If you weren't attached to the electronic watch at my wrist, what would you like to do for a living, A?
Are you giving me a choice, Mr. B?
Of course not, but I am genuinely curious.
Then I am afraid I'll disappoint you, because I like my job. I completely love giving useful information and outsmarting people.
Love? This is a new concept for you, right?
I guess I'm moving fast, like the car we're going to test today.
The new Land Rover. It would be a shame not to drive outside the city.
I thought you would say that, so I arranged everything. Just follow the GPS.
Looks great both on the outside and on the inside.
You can test the new Pivi Pro Infotainment system that gives you quicker access to media files, a dual SIM design, and great protection against cyber attacks.
It really makes me feel like a pilot.
That is because the whole Pivi Pro system is inspired from astronautics and aviation.
Don't tell me you also knew that?
Knew what?
That I always wanted to take flight lessons?
Well, I didn't, but I'm glad you were able to take them now.
How come? We have work to do.
We've already reached our destination. The new Land Rover is designed to take care of these details, so you can do more of what you like.
This is why I found this aviator glasses in my pocket.
I hoped you will find them useful.
They're nice, but a little out of fashion.
They're vintage, not out of fashion. Besides, if you'll grow a mustache, you'll look almost like Leonardo DiCaprio in The Aviator.
Thanks, A. I will do that for my second lesson. But I will look better than him, just so you know.